I'm Abbas Majeed Khan Marwat. I am currently heading the traffic police of Peshawar. We get information from different people who are either using that route or who use our 1915 service. Additionally, we have got our officers and men who are active on the social media. So mostly about any traffic accident, rather than being informed through our 1915 service, we are mostly informed through social media. We have installed GPS in all our traffic mobiles. Once the first responder reached the spot, he immediately informed the control that more manpower is needed. So the different mobiles that were patrolling and managing traffic in adjacent areas, they rushed to that spot. After we have got our vehicles are there, so it is part of our job description to facilitate the general public. Additionally, we have got our two education teams that are usually come across them on different roads, where on-road education is being imparted to the commuters. Awareness, traffic education about, for example, use of seat belts, use of helmet while driving a motorcycle, use of masks, among other things. Last but not the least, in my opinion, when we are driving on a road, apart from traffic police, as a citizen of this country, it is our duty to observe all the traffic laws. Most of the road collision or the accidents occur because of non-observance of traffic laws. As a citizen of this country, we play our part. We follow and observe the rules. Because traffic police, it is impossible that all U-turns and all points are going to be manned by a traffic sergeant. So then it comes over us, and then we have to shoulder this responsibility. We have to act like a responsible citizen. And it is only through these things, a few things that I have said, that we can prevent different type of road accidents.